This video is a demonstration for Google on how oAuth 2.0 works in BizzTouch. BizzTouch is a web-based application meant for small to medium businesses to cover their business processes. You can order all of the metadata, emails, files, calendar events, etc. into a single searchable object. Clients of BizzTouch have their own public URL showing a login screen. Thus, each BizzTouch application has its own Google oAuth 2.0 scope. I will show you how users can follow the oAuth consent screen and some examples on how the application uses these restricted scopes. First of all, let's take a look at the API services of Google. Here we can see the project with BMK. We're here at the consent screen page, and here we have the different scopes. Let's take a look how BizzTouch connects to Google. So I will log in into my account. As you can see, I get to the main dashboard, and under here we can go to Settings, Modules, oAuth 2.0. This is a screen we made to connect to Google. First you have to choose Google at the module input. Then for now I will show you with an existing account with automatically at gmail.com. Here you can click to make a connection. As you can see, we get redirected at the consent screen, and here's the URL with the client ID and the different scopes. I will choose my account, and here you can see the not verified message of Google. So we click Advanced, we click Continue. Here are the different scopes we use. Gmail, this is new, we use Drive, Agenda, and some Google Contacts information. So we say allow, and we get redirected right back to the correct URL while having the correct information. So now that we have a connection with Google, we can do lots of cool stuff. First of all, I will show you how the email scope is being used. So let's go to email. Here we are in our email application inside the web application. Here you can see I'm connected using the email I just used to connect the consent screen. I've added an email into a folder, and if I press here to reload, it will say that a new email has been found, and that's the same email over here in Gmail. So we use the scope to retrieve emails and to send new emails over here. We can do that. And that's all that we use of the email scope. Next, I will show you how the calendar scope is being used. Now we are inside the calendar plugin of BizzTouch called Full Calendar. If we go to our Gmail calendar, and here you can see I'm still using the same email, that there are a lot of events that I added. And as you can see, they're the same over here. And to give you a demonstration, we can add a quick demo event, save, and then we go over here. We see that we are using the correct email, and we do a reload. And as you can see, a new event has been added that corresponds with this event. Well, the calendar also works the other way around. So here we can see the old event that I just added. Let's do it the other way around. So here you see it uses the correct email. So here another quick event too. And over here you see another quick event too. We have also integrated the Google Drive API. Here we are in the document module. We have a couple of documents. There's a photo and a video. So I select these two documents and press upload. It will make a connection with your Google Drive and see how much space you have left. Here you can choose folder, and I will show you my Google Drive. I'm inside the BizzTouch backup folder. So here you can see BizzTouch backup. Press next step. Here you see the two documents I have chosen. Not yet in the drive. Well, that's correct. They're not here. Next step. For now, we have also not an option. You can embed it as a zip file. We won't do that now. So next step. Start the upload. Makes a connection. And it uploads the picture and the video. Okay. We also use Google Maps in the application. For instance, in the calendar. So we're back here. I press Google Maps. Here you see already a marker of our company. And if we go back a couple of days, here's one event with a location related to it. So we can press it, see some information, see it on the map. And we can even plot a route between the two markers. So I choose the first marker, the head company marker. The second marker will be the event. And it will calculate a route between the 2 points and how to get there. And last but not least, we also use the Google context information just for one thing over here, where you can choose emails where you want to send an email to, so email accounts. We have some intern contact information, but also the provider. So now we are in Google, and it retrieves your Google accounts so you can send easier an email to them. So this was the video about how BizzTouch uses the different Google oAuth APIs and scopes. I hope that's all clear now. As you can see, we have a login page because it actually is an internal application for one company. So this is our company, but for instance, we also have one for another company, MaxPay, or this one over here, for Schoor. So we cannot actually have an open homepage because we have a login screen. So I was wondering how we could fix this. And I hope this video helps to clarify that we use it in a correct way and are not hackers in any way. So if you have any questions, please feel free to email me at the given email. And I hope you can verify our oAuth application. Thank you.